Hi, my name is Jared Brenchley and I am a challenge solver. I have purchased many properties from people that need to sell their home quickly and many other circumstances. Why don't you take a look and see how I was able to solve their challenges?
Man, thanks for,
Thank you kindly. Appreciate
no,
you.
no, absolutely, thank
Thought
you.
you had been up the creek.
Oh, yeah, right, bring that paddle, yeah.
No paddle.
Yeah, that's what, I sell paddles. So
Yeah.
that's my
Me mandes en dirección y no tuve que hacer nada más que eso.
Nada más que eso y eso fue todo.
Okay, tell us a little bit about your experience with us, working with us, and the whole thing.
Great. They came in and looked around and did what they said they were going to do. And everything pretty much went smoothly overall.
So just last week we closed on a property that through his efforts, he actually found.
You've been very prompt. You was always on time. You always returned the calls when you said you was going to return the calls. Every time I called you, you was right there. You always treated me fairly. You always treated me like a human being through this whole frustrating, stressful process.
Right. Yeah, because you needed to sell that home so you can buy the home that we're in now, right?
Yeah.
And you had a time limit too, if memory serves.
Yeah, we had 6 months to sell what the rental was in. And of course, we had to have cash to buy up the reverse mortgage. And Jared, bless his soul, he stepped in and came up to the plate and hit his home run for us. And I would recommend it to anyone, any of my friends, any of my relatives. He's a good man. He's honest, he's prompt, and he's always been courteous.
I am a realtor with EXP Reality and most importantly, a cash buyer that can buy your property in any condition. It doesn't matter if you're going through foreclosure, bankruptcy, divorce, or if you lost a loved one. It doesn't matter the condition of the home or if you need to sell your property fast. I can give you a fair market cash offer and you can get your money in hand as fast as a few days. I'm also always looking for partners that want to start, elevate, and catapult their real estate investing careers. Please message me and tell me how I can help you.